Everyone is talking about bigger AI models, more parameters, more GPUs, more benchmark wins, more intelligence in the cloud. And yes, frontier models matter. They are where the newest capabilities usually show up first. But quietly, another shift is happening. AI is starting to move closer to where the work actually happens on laptops, on phones, inside browsers, inside company servers, inside private environments. Local AI models are becoming more important, not because they are always smarter, they are not, but because in real work, intelligence is only one part of the problem. Companies also care about privacy, latency, cost, reliability, customization, and control. A cloud model is like calling a brilliant expert every time you need help, very capable. But every question has to leave the building. A local model is different. It may be smaller, it may be less impressive on benchmarks, but it is close to the work. It can run near the data, it can respond quickly, it can work inside security boundaries, it can be customized for a specific workflow, and in some cases, it can keep sensitive information from ever leaving the environment. That changes the enterprise AI conversation because most business AI problems are not just intelligence problems, they are context problems. The AI needs to understand the documents, the customer history, the code base, the policies, the workflow, the exceptions nobody wrote down. And sometimes that context should not be sent to a remote API for every small task. This does not mean cloud AI goes away. The future is probably not cloud versus local. It is cloud plus local, small local models for private, fast, repetitive, context heavy tasks, large frontier models for complex reasoning, creative work, and deep synthesis. The important skill will be knowing which model belongs where, because using the biggest model for every task is like using a private jet to deliver groceries. Technically impressive, but expensive, unnecessary, and hard to scale. Local models change the economics. They make AI cheaper to run in some workflows, faster to respond in some products, safer for sensitive data, more reliable when connectivity matters, and easier to embed directly into the tools people already use. That is why local AI matters, not because it replaces the biggest models, but because it makes AI feel less like a remote service and more like part of the product itself. The AI you use every day may not always be a giant chatbot. It may be a small model inside your device, a private model inside your company, a workflow specific model inside your software, a quiet assistant that appears exactly where the work is happening. So the better question is not, will local models beat frontier AI? The better question is, which parts of work should never have needed a giant cloud model in the first place? Because the future of AI may not be one massive brain in the sky, it may be intelligence everywhere, small enough to run locally, useful enough to trust, and close enough to actually change how work gets done.